What is up, everyone? This is your boy, Mr. Product Reviews, and today we are going to review this Commlite Commlite multifunctional mini LED video light. So the reason why I purchased this product is because I've been doing quite a bit of reviews, and I feel like I need to really up my game in terms of, just kind of like raising the quality of my review. And I figure having a decent light kit would probably be a low-hanging fruit in terms of just raising the bar of my reviews. So that's why I purchased this, and I haven't opened this product yet, and so I'm going to be just as surprised or disappointed depending on how this product will work out, basically. So like I said, I haven't opened it, so I don't even know what's inside, but as you can see, it looks like here's the product, and let's see what's inside the box. All right, I'm gonna open the box here and take this out. So it looks like comes with some stuff. So first things first, I guess, instruction manual. From the looks of it, it looks pretty self-explanatory. So I think it might be okay for me to just kind of like, skip this for now. Let's see, what is this? Warranty information? Yeah, warranty card. Not too interesting filling out warranty card either. So let's just kind of like jump right in. So it looks like this is a USB charging cable that comes with it. And I believe that there is a internal battery on this light kit, so you don't need to put in, like some of the light kits that I saw will basically you would need to put a AAA battery or AA battery in order for it to function, but it looks like there's a internal battery on this thing, so which is kind of nice. So I guess you just charge it with your USB cable. And I guess this is kind of like, if you want, like, I guess these are the filters. Let's see from what it looks like. Yeah, so it's pretty self-explanatory. So you have two notches here, two notch, 1 and 2, and then you have 1 notch, 2 notch down here. So I guess this would clip at the bottom, and then you would clip at the top like that, and this would give you, I guess, the white light compared to if you want a more orange, softer light, or more intimate light, or a blue light. Let's see what's going on here. This just kind of got stuck here. Wow, what is going on? Well, anyway, I'll deal with it later, but I guess these are the blue and orange filter that comes with it. And then it also comes with a holder, so you could, like, you could put basically I record with my phone, so I can put my phone down here and then mount the light right above it like that, I guess. So then, I would have a good light source for my review. And then additional mounts so that you could mount it to, say, a tripod and what have you. At least that's what it looks like. So I think it's pretty self-explanatory for me in terms of like what's inside a box, what each of these things do. The product page that I was looking at, they didn't really do quite a good job in terms of showing what's inside. So I hope this would answer some of your questions as to like what's included with this product. And as you can see, just to reiterate, it comes with various filters for your light. It comes with the, of course, the light unit itself, right? It comes with a stand that you can use, and then you can mount from the top, top, bottom, and back. So there's different ways you can mount this, and it also comes with some mounting adapters for whatever whatever camera setup you may have, and comes with a charging cable to charge your light. So next thing, so in my next video, I'm gonna show you kind of like, I'll get this thing mounted. I'll test out the light to see, how, great or not great it is. I really don't know, to be honest with you. So we'll find out together. See you in a bit. So before I mount this to, my phone and whatnot, I just wanted to show you guys that when you do mount this, especially with this particular adapter, you'll see that there is a longer So there's a long end and a short end. So be sure to install the short end, attach the short end to the adapter that comes with the product, simply because if you do the short end, it's gonna look fine when you mount it, top or bottom. However, if you use the long end, what happens is, and I found out the hard way, where as you start screwing in, you'll notice, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but basically what happens is it's going to, if you keep screwing in, it's gonna protrude, like there, I don't know if you can see it, so there's this slight curve, so it's actually pushing against the rubber. So make sure that like when you do attach the adapter, use the shorter end, versus the long end when you do attach this adapter. So without further ado, I'm going to mount this thing up and have some products to showcase, and we'll see what happens. All right, so I have the light kit attached to the adapter that you guys saw earlier. And right now what you're seeing is basically my Mark 1 Iron Man right here. And the light is not turned on, just so I can do a comparison on how things would look like. And mind you, I'm taking this video with an iPhone, and the iPhone camera, is pretty good, and is going to do, auto brightness adjustments and all that, jazz for you guys. So right now, the light is off. So I'm gonna turn it on at the lowest setting, and we'll just, slowly bump up the setting on that light just to see kind of like how things looks like with this light kit. So I'm gonna turn my light on. All right, so this is, I believe, at the lowest setting. Let me make sure of that. Yep, we're at the lowest setting. So this is how it looks like, and I'm just going to slowly bump up the brightness of it. So that's one level, another level, another one, and you can see the shadow in the back is getting more defined as we increase the brightness of the light. So I'm gonna keep going. That's another level up. I'm gonna do another one, and another one, and is there another one? Oh, there is another one. Let's just see. Okay, and another one. I think this is the max. So at maximum level, I could see that the arm over here is a bit more shinier, much more, or should I say brighter, than compared to the lowest setting earlier. And let me just kind of like tone it back down, all the way down. So yeah, you'll notice that, this part is not as bright compared to earlier, but I am actually fairly pleased with how bright this light is. I mean, given how small the light kit is, and it's really portable. And the reason why I like it is because I can take it anywhere easily without, carrying like 5 to 10 pounds worth of light kit. So this is kind of like a good, guerrilla style, product review if I have to do one, right? So this is pretty nice, in my opinion. And I believe the price point for this is anywhere between $20 to $30, might be even less than that. But I'm fairly pleased with this product. The only thing that seems to be not working for me is, so this light, as you can see, you can, adjust the brightness of it. And on the light itself, there's the brightness indicator from 25% to 100%. It looks like the indicator, the lights on that, the indicator is broken. It's not lighting up for me at all. However, it still works. So I think I'm just gonna keep it. It's such a minor thing for me, as long as I can adjust the brightness and it works and it charges my battery. I think this is, pretty good, So again, this is my review on Commlite multifunctional mini LED video light. So far I'm quite pleased with the brightness of it and the price point for this product. Very portable again. So there you go, my review on this Commlite product. And if you guys happen to like my video, please, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. So Mr. Product Reviews, out.